Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. How to book Private Boeing 787 Dreamliner Guide step by step. Booking a Private Boeing 787 Dreamliner is an experience reserved for those seeking the ultimate in luxury air travel. This state-of-the-art aircraft, with its cutting-edge design and advanced technology, offers a truly opulent and exclusive way to traverse the skies. Step 1. Determine your travel needs. Before embarking on the booking process, it's crucial to assess your specific travel requirements. Consider factors such as the number of passengers, desired destinations, duration of the trip, and any special accommodations or amenities you may need. This information will help streamline the booking process and ensure that the aircraft meets your expectations. Step 2. Seek professional assistance. While it is possible to book a private Dreamliner directly with certain aircraft operators, it is highly recommended to enlist the services of a reputable private aviation consultancy or luxury travel agency specializing in these exclusive charters. Their expertise and industry connections will prove invaluable in securing the best aircraft, negotiating favorable rates, and ensuring a seamless booking experience. Step 3. Explore aircraft options. Once you've established your travel requirements, your chosen consultancy will present you with a range of available Boeing 787 Dreamliner options. These may include aircraft owned by private individuals, corporations, or charter companies. Each option will vary in terms of cabin configuration, amenities, and pricing. Take the time to review the details carefully and select the aircraft that best suits your needs and preferences. Step 4. Negotiate terms and pricing. Private aviation is a highly customizable industry, and negotiations are expected. Your consultancy will work with the aircraft operator to establish terms and pricing that align with your budget and requirements. This may include negotiating hourly rates, positioning fees, catering costs, and any additional services or amenities you desire. Step 5. Secure the aircraft. Once you've reached an agreement with the aircraft operator, it's time to secure the aircraft for your desired travel dates. This typically involves providing a substantial deposit, often ranging from 25% to 50% of the total charter cost. Your consultancy will guide you through the payment process and ensure that all necessary contracts and legal documentation are in order. Step 6. Plan your onboard experience. With the aircraft secured, you can now turn your attention to curating the ultimate onboard experience. Work closely with your consultancy and the aircraft operator to customize every aspect of your flight, from the menu and wine selection to in-flight entertainment and amenities. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner offers a spacious and luxurious cabin, perfect for tailoring to your specific preferences. Step 7. Arrange ground logistics. In addition to the air component, your consultancy will assist in arranging ground logistics at your departure and arrival destinations. This may include coordinating luxury transportation, securing private terminals or FBOs, fixed base operators, and ensuring seamless transitions between the aircraft and your chosen accommodations. Step 8. Enjoy your private Dreamliner experience. With all the details meticulously planned, it's time to embark on your private Dreamliner journey. Relax in the lap of luxury as you soar through the skies, indulging in the ultimate in comfort, privacy, and personalized service. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner's advanced technology and innovative design ensure a smooth and enjoyable flight, allowing you to arrive at your destination refreshed and ready to explore. Booking a private Boeing 787 Dreamliner is a truly extraordinary experience, one that combines the pinnacle of luxury air travel with the convenience and exclusivity of a private charter. By enlisting the expertise of a reputable consultancy and carefully considering your specific needs and preferences, you can embark on a journey that redefines the boundaries of luxury and creates lasting memories. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.